Alright class. We will do time math today. And we go to laboratory paint on this Lightyear tires.
Excuse me, Mrs. Teacher.
Yes, Cal Weathers.
Stephen Quire just begged a time to go 43, but this time, he's not supposed to do that.
Get to principal's office right now.
Please, give me another chance. I promise I'll behave.
No. Get out of my classroom and get to the principal's office. Now.
What am I going to do now? I could not be too much wrong with that thing. What am I going to do now? This is very great. How I ever need to get back to this thing right now? Yeah, man. If you try to hang over with your classmates and get back to class one more time, I will send you to the principal's office. Yes, sir. I can't make it quick. Man, I cannot believe this thing haven't done it. What are we going to do now? I know. If anyone did send me to the principal's office, maybe I go to pull the firearm that time. Ha ha ha! Okay, there he is. Time now to get this place moving. This is only at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done, Dan Holland. Lightyear Chevrolet was 2-0.
It's 2, I guessed.
Well done. Oh no. Everyone get outside. Go.
Attention everyone, this is Tex Django speaking. But sorry about the interruption this time. Anyways, sorry about the interruption that time by the way. So, you may come back to your classes right now. But we don't do this again, okay? If only going to try to pull the fire alarm, please report to my principal's office immediately. That's the required. If it's required, report to my office immediately. Thank you. Oh man, I'm in very big trouble. Yes, Tex? What is the police officer doing here? This is Stephen required. I'm so disappointed at you haven't done it. I saw you caught on camera. You just pulled the fire alarm that time on Hopville City High School that time. You should know better than think you will get arrested for that time. But, Tex, I'm sorry you have to say this right away. I'm sorry. Please forgive me right away. That's enough, Stephen. Just suspend it for the next 2 weeks. And also, if the police officer will take you home right away, I haven't done it that time.
Come with me, young man. You're coming over to Starflight Sparkle's house. And also, I will tell Rohan and Starflight what you have done. just pulled a fire alarm on Hot Wheels City High School anyways. He's suspended for 3 weeks. Can you mind please ground Steven? Well, I'm thinking.
Okay, we will ground Stephen. Thank you so much, Officer Russell.
You're welcome, Mom and Steven. If you try to do it again, you will be arrested.
Stephen Quire, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school today? You know pulling the fire alarm will get you arrested. That's it. You're grounded until Disney Cars Race to the Track trailer gets released tomorrow morning.
We have enough, you Stephen. This means no Madagascar DVDs, no NXT, no WWE, no SpongeBob, no WWE DVDs, no Christmas DVDs, no Nickelodeon DVDs, and furthermore, you need force to watch every DreamWorks DVDs for rest for your life.
From now on, you may force watch every virtual Paramount or TriStar Corner Pictures movies for your punishment. We also are taking all your DVDs away for your punishment, for all Disney DVDs for your punishment today. We have enough of you, young man. We'll have it this time. You have to have all serious consequences for we get this out to it. You may keep the Universal to one of those DVDs for your punishment, but you may have no choice. We'll take your DVDs away for your punishment tomorrow morning. Go upstairs to her now.
I'm agreeing with Bobby's lift. Go right. Now.
Please, don't send me to my room. I promise I will not go through this again this time at school today. I promise I won't do it again.
Go right.